These 5 places are so beautiful. They feel like they were painted, not built, but they're real and waiting to be seen. Number 5, the Marble Caves, Chile. Waves carve these glowing blue caves over thousands of years. They look like liquid crystal. Number 4, Antelope Canyon, USA. Sunlight dances between smooth, fiery canyon walls. Every angle feels like art. Number 3, Mount Roraima, Venezuela. A flat-topped mountain rises above the clouds like a lost world. Surreal and sacred. Number 2, Lake Hillier, Australia. A bubblegum pink lake surrounded by deep blue ocean. It doesn't look natural, but it is. Still think beauty like this only exists in dreams? Like and subscribe. Your next destination might be waiting. Number 1, the Northern Lights, Norway. Waves of green and purple light dance through Arctic skies. A celestial show from another realm. Which one is your favorite? Comment down below.